Good morning traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Monday the 27th of February, and of course first from Sydney for the Asian time zone market open. Alright, if we take a quick look back on Friday, we only had one bit of data come out. It was the price core index from the US, and that number surprised the market, coming in at 0.6% with spending increasing on January on the back of stronger wage growth for the US. Consequently, US dollar reacted well, or investors, should I say, took to the news well, with the US dollar making ground against most of the majors, particularly against the Japanese yen, around about 170 pips there, and our own local Aussie dollar dropping around about 85 pips on the strength of the US dollar. That was pretty much all that happened on Friday in terms of major news releases. So let us move along and have a look at our chart of the day. Now, the chart that I'm looking at this morning is the Aussie US dollar itself. And before I start, you can see here, this was Friday's candle. We had a big drop there, and that was as a result of that US data. What it has done is it's taken us to this level, which I've highlighted here. And particularly if we look over here, the market acted as support in the past. We had a little bit of congestion through this area here, but we saw that on occasions it was kicking off, and then till finally it did kick off. And now we're coming back to this same area again. So what I want to do is I want to look for the market showing me a sign of reversing, in other words, coming down and then showing me a signal that it could be reversing in this zone, and then that would be my signal to become a buyer in this particular market. Now, particularly what I want to see is I want to see a price action candle reversal pattern, something like an inside candle, an engulfing candle, a hanging man, something along those lines. If you're new to our channel and you haven't seen my analysis before, feel free to reach out to us and we can send you some information so that you can study those particular patterns. But if we get the pattern that we're looking for in this region there somewhere, then that would be my signal, and I would definitely be looking at a buying opportunity as a trade idea for the Aussie US dollar. So this morning, our chart of the day is the Aussie US dollar on a daily timescale. All right, moving along and having a look at what's happening for the session, which is about to kick off. Of course, we're in the Asian time zone, so we kick off first. Europe comes online later on in around about 6-7 hours time. This morning, we have actually nothing scheduled for the Asian session, European session, or the US session, so it's a quiet start to the week. And that pretty much wraps up for this morning. So guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can also follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I will speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.